Say hi to the vlog!
Hi!
Hi!
Sa Davao!
Hello guys! Welcome to our vlog! We're currently here. We're on the way to SM Lanang. We're crossing the bridge. It's already 8:27, so it's almost 8:30. We're crossing the bridge, guys. And that's SM Lanang. Hello guys! Say hi!
Hi guys, welcome
Dane,
to
say hi.
guys.
Hi! Say hi. Hi. It's still open, so
Patay, hindi ano?
we're going to crash out now.
Shopping nag-goods.
We are...
No? Ano man?
Ano? Tara?
Ano, Tara?
Say hi.
Hi! Ano lang ka?
Hi!
Hi!
We're cramming, guys, because we only have, I guess, 30 minutes left before
6,
we're
7.
going to close. That's Lanang going to close. I guess it will close exactly 9 p.m.
Pasaka naman nagyoyos diyan yan.
Hello guys, so update. We're already in the entrance.
Wala na, bitay na lang.
It's freaking pretty here. Like, look. Say hi! Look how pretty it is here. Wow! It's pretty. This is the atrium of SM Lanang. Here you go. Because it's still SM.
Oh. Ayaw. Video mo dito.
Wow.
Dili laban.
Si Miko!
Papini mo ba? Gusto na po niya puro ng t-shirt.
Wow, look at this pretty sight. Look how pretty it is here, guys. This is the Philippine flag. This is their Uniqlo. There's so many plenty to choose from. Hello guys!
Let's help me. Let's help me, sir. Ayun. Tanong mo lang Picasso. 1, 2, 3, video.
We're looking for something for today, I guess. We're looking for shoes. So update guys, we're already here in SM Supermarket. There's such variety of things to choose from here. We're currently choosing, not choosing, we're just looking for shoes. Because we still had, because we still doesn't have the budget. Hello. Bruh. Wow, look at that thing. Hello. We're giving. Whoa, she also won some pickup.
Tama na. Post so pila na kami next.
Luagi gamay bi.
Bago natin.
She's choosing her school shoes for the upcoming school year, guys.
QS. Oh, sa eskwela kompo ka.
Tayo lukiti bitaw.
Yan, lagi. Sino man to vlog? Ikaw lang vlog. Asa mo, Wait? Hoy, asa mo? Asa mo? Balaya. Ito. Ay, what? Ini deh, Bang. Bawal na sa school, bigyan ko nito. Dito pa sa school. Wala naman siya, wala lay Paris. Sige. Sige, sige. Hari ko isa, oh. Pwede na. Ayun na, pwede na. Ay, ligid yan kapas pa, ah. Nagpalit na mix dito, Marino. Ayun. Ah, palitan siyang mama. Palitan daw.
Matanggal man ni pares ka dayon.
Ah, matanggal na na, bibi. Ah, maguba daw yun. Oh. Ah, maguba din dayon siya. Sayang.
Sayang. Dili lagi. Dili lagi na ko sayon.
Maguba daw dayon. Ano naman daw biscuit daw?
Mabuka lagi kinuha ka sayon no. Tanggal.
Balikan, di na lang. Ano wala din. Yeah.
Sayang kay kuya, tanggal niyo kanu.
Lapa-lapa. Kita na. Kita lagi sila. Nah, sulit na yun, no? Pilot-pilot.
Sige ari buli.
Alak na. Terus pwede ba na sa tanggalan? Kalau ko naman. Ito yung bisik? Kayo ko na magulang na ba, ate? Eh? Ayun na.
Lagi ni balik yan yung tanong.
Hindi na baligyan. Hindi na baligyan, no? Hindi na baligyan, no? Karga na lang, karga.
Ay napakamduan daw na.
Hindi na baligyan. Taas agad. Kailan na kami? 10 minutes. Okay, pause na. Pause na. Tama na?